So today we are discussing binomial problems, dear students. Okay. So yesterday we discussed this question. See, once again I'm revising last two questions once again. Sum of the coefficients in this expansion means what here, what to do. So taking all the variables equating to 1. So comparing 3 power n is equal to 2187. Comparing this one, we can get is equal to 3 power 7. Base are equal. Power should be equated in this case. So n is equal to how much coming? 7. So greatest coefficient in this case, they're asking greatest coefficient in this expansion means what is the formula? NC integral part of n by 2. Okay. What is the answer? 7 factorial by 4 factorial, 3 factorial. How much is coming? Simplify. That is the answer. D for Delhi. #61. Find the coefficient of x square, y cube, z cube. So this one you should write like this format. Expansion. So in this case, they're asking coefficient of x square, y cube, z cube means x power alpha, y power beta, minus z power gamma. So this is the result is coming. Here n is how much? 8. Alpha is 2. Here beta is 3. Gamma is 3. Substituting this one, simplify. We can get minus 40,320 like that. Yeah. So this one also discussed applying GP concept. Now get ready. How to solve this question? Anyone? So actually this formats every time standard question. R is equal to 5 root 5 plus 11 whole power odd numbers. See carefully. So whenever they're asking these type of questions, R into F is always how much coming here? 5 root 5 plus 11 in whole power 2n plus 1. Here F is nothing but 5 root 5 minus 11 whole power 2n plus 1. Format is coming. This is the meaning F. R into F. Simplify A plus B into A minus B. 5 root 5 whole square minus 11 square whole power 2n plus 1. That is 125 minus 121. So answer is coming 4 power 2n plus 1. This is the case. So R means what the case here R is given? Integral part of R plus F. So in this case, we are using what is the case? Let F dash is equal to like that we are choosing. Means 5 root 5 minus 11 whole power 2n plus 1. Simplify, this is the format is coming. So please remember this formula. Another question I'm giving same model. Let I is equal to, for example, if I'm giving like this, see, what is the case? Some 2 root 6. 24, that means 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power 2n plus 1. Same format. So this question is repeated in G mains and advanced. How to find the coefficient of x power 1007 in this expansion? Try. If you are not getting, I will explain. Anyone? Okay, yes. This type of formula, suppose let take S is equal to 1 plus x whole power 0 into x power 26. Totally, how many terms are there? Anyone observing? Totally, there are 2007 terms are there. Fine. And what you are observing? These are in GP. See carefully. Anyone? So here, A is first term 1 plus x whole power 2006. What is the common ratio? Anyone? X by 1 plus x. Sum of the n terms A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. It is there. This is the case. Or you can write like this: A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r power n. You can take like this. Okay, let us see what the result is coming. Anyone? I'm giving idea. Can you see the answer? Anyone? Formula is there: A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r power n. Sorry, 1 minus r. Okay, see. S is equal to, first simplify, after that find out what is the expansion. So A 1 plus x whole power 2006 into 1 minus, what is the r here? Is 1. X by 1 plus x whole power 2007 whole divided by 1 minus r. If you are simplifying, what the LCM is coming here? 1 plus x means x is cancelled 1. That means 1 plus x by 1 by 1 plus x. So simplify, how much coming? S is equal to 1 plus x whole power 2007. Still, what is the remaining here? Anyone? Take the LCM. 1 plus x whole power 2007 minus whole divided by, both are cancelled. That is the answer. Now write down coefficient of x power 1007 in 1 plus x whole power 2007 minus x power 2007. Can you get what is the answer? Anyone? Coefficient of x power 1007 in 1 plus x whole power 2007 is, can you guess what is the answer? That is 2007C 1007. That is the answer. Where is this option? D for Delta. So this type of models, once again I'm repeating. See, first we should observe this one. These are clearly, these are in GP. How many terms are there? There are 2007 terms are there. From 0 to 2006. Totally 2007. Apply number of sum of the finite terms of GP. This is the formula. Right on. Shit. Anyone? How to solve this model? Guess it. This is look at C naught by 1 plus C1 by 2 plus C3 C2 by 3. It means generally I'm giving small concept. Cn x power n. So if I'm integrating with respect to x on both sides, after that apply the limit 0 to 1. What the result is coming? It is there by n plus 1 plus some constant k. What about this case? C naught x by 1, C1 x square by 2, C2 x cube by 3, and so on, Cn into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So applying 0 to, what is the case? In this case, we are applying limits what? 0 to x. What the result is coming? This one is coming. Clear? What to do here? Put x is equal to 1. First of all, we should remove. Put x is equal to 1. What is the answer? 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. C naught, C1 by 2, C2 by 3, and so on, Cn by n plus 1. Still, we have to eliminate n. What to do here? Put n is equal to 100, up to 100 terms. So 2 power 101 minus 1 by 101, C naught by 1, C2, C1 by 2, C100 by 101. That is the answer. So D for Bombay option. So where is the logic here only? That's why once again revise the formulas. Otherwise, write out. Next question. Anyone? What is the answer? So in this case, hit and trail method is possible. Otherwise, you can using binomial theorem expansion. What is the answer? Simply immediately responding. Yeah, Parthiv Verma, absolutely correct. Check it once again. So these type of models means what you are simply put n is equal to 1. So 3 power 4 minus 8 minus 9. How much? 8 to 1 minus 17. How much coming anyone? What is the result is coming? 64. Obviously 64 is divisible by 64. So what is the remainder? 0. This is the answer. But what is the actual procedure? Now see. So 3 power n plus 2 means how to write here? This is 3 square, like this we can write. 3 square whole power n plus 1 minus 8 and minus 9. 8 is 3 square means 9. That means 8 plus 1 whole power n plus 1. Either we can write expanding n plus 1 C naught. 8 for how much coming? N plus 1 plus n plus 1 C1. 8 power n into 9 power 1. N plus 1 C2. And so on like that. What you are observing in this case? Anyone? So in this case, previously, if you are observing, 8n plus 9 is coming, last two terms in this expansion. So both terms are cancelled. Here, finally, what you are observing here? In this case, take 64 as a common factor, means what? 64 into n plus 1 C naught. 8, this is already 8 square, that means this is n minus 1. Plus n plus 1 C1. 8 power n is there here. 8 power n minus 2 into 9, and so on like that. So each and every term, you can write 64 as a common factor. So this one is 64 into k, because this is the whole integer. So 64 is always divisible by 64. That's why we are saying remainder is 0. What is the k here? K is nothing but enter value this one. This is the k. What is another method? Put n is equal to 1, 2, like that, can solve it. We can get the answer. $71. What is the answer? But in this case, here value means variable is not there. Directly the given number. How do you approach? So divided by 7 means what you have to focusing on next number, 8 or 6. So in this case, 2 power 60 means how to write? 2 cube whole power 20 means 8 power 20. 7 plus 1 whole power 20, expansion. 20 C naught, 7 power 20. 20 C1, 7 power 20, 19. 20 C2, 7 power 18. And so on. What is the last one? 20 C19, 7 power anyone, 1. 20 C20, 7 power 0. Okay. Anyone, what you are observing? I'm writing C. In this each and every term, 7 is the common factor, remaining in its case. Plus 20C20 means 1. So this value is exactly divisible by 7, plus remainder is how much? 1 is there. Remainder is 1. Each term is divisible by 7, except last one. That is the meaning. Yeah, that is the answer. Next question. Easy, this one. Yeah. 79. This one is advanced question. But it's a very dead easy question. See carefully. So in this case, I'm converting the another question also. In this case, they are giving finite number of terms. Converting in infinite terms, then what is the answer? I'm asking another question. Up to infinity, up to m terms, what is your answer? Anyone? Okay, first let us see what is the formula C. Sigma. Like that you can write C plus sigma r in from 0 to n minus whole 1 whole power r into NCR into 3 power r by 2 power 2 r. How to write here, students? That is 3 by 4 whole power r. See carefully. Plus 7 by 2 cube means how to write? Step by step I'm writing. 7 by 2 cube is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 whole power r and so on up to m terms. So this is what here. This is the one expansion of some series. What is that? That is, can you guess what is that? This one you can write 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n. See, can expand this is the answer. What about this case? 1 minus 3 by 4 whole power n. What about this case? See, 1 minus 7 by 8 whole power n up to m terms. Simplify. This is 1 by 2 power n. This is 1 by 4 power n. This is up to m terms. Anyone, what you are observing? These are what? Geometric progressions. What is the A? 1 by 2 power n. What is the common ratio? 1 by 2 power n. See careful. Number of terms, that is m. What to do? Let us see what the answer. Therefore, Sm 1 by 2 power n into r. R is how much? 1 by 2 power n whole power m minus 1 by 1 by 2 power n minus 1. You can write like this. This is the question. So take the LCM. What is the result is coming? 1 by 2 power n into 2 power. Taking the LCM 2 power nm. 2 power mn minus 1 by. This is the result is coming. See. 2 power n 2 power means what case? 2 power n. After taking 2 power n cancel. 2 power n is coming. Minus has a common factor in the numerator denominator. Is the case. My question is now if m tending to infinity, then what is the result is coming? Then these are what here sum of the infinite terms. What is the formula? A by 1 minus r. A is how much? 1 by 2 power n. By what is the common ratio? That is 1 by 2 power n. See carefully. What is the answer? 1 by 2 power n minus 1. That is the answer. Because 2 power n cancel. This is the answer question. M tending to infinity. That is the result. So once again, I'm writing, dear students, see, generally minus 1 whole power r, NCR, x power r, sigma. This is nothing but 1 minus x whole power n, that is the expansion series concept. If plus is there, minus 1 whole power r is not there. Expansion series. It's very important. So one is finite series, one is infinite series. Doubt is there? Ask me. Anyone? In this case, I'm writing one more step. You can write like this also, if you want. 1 by 2 power n into 1 minus 1 by 2 power r power m by 1 minus r. So taking the LCM means 2 power n cancel. Finally, we are getting like this. Because m terms are there. This is one of the advanced question, advanced model. Next question. This one is also previous advanced question, but it is very easy. Once read the question. Previous IIT question, advanced question, 2010. AR, BR, CR denotes respectively the coefficient of x in this expansions of 1 plus x whole power 10, 1 plus x whole power 20, 1 plus x whole power 30. Then point they are asking, this is the question. Once again, write down what they are. That is coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power 10. What is the meaning, anyone? That is 10 CR formula. BR, same thing. 1 plus x whole power 20 means 20 CR. CR is how much? Coefficient of x power r in 30 CR formula. If you want, I will write coefficient of x power k in expansion of 1 plus x whole power n is NCK. I think all of you know this one. Like that. Come to the question. Sigma R any from 1 to 10. B 10 into AR BR minus sigma R any from 1 to 10. How to write? R into how much coming? AR C10 Yeah, this is the question. How to solve this one? Say carefully, dear students. B10 is what here? Constant. Take outside. B10 is how much? Constant 20 C10. What is the remaining? R any from 1 to 10. AR is how much? 10 CR. BR is how much? 20 CR. This is the question. Minus C10 is how much? 30 C10. Sigma. AR is how much? 10 CR into 10 CR. This is the question. How to solve? So I'm writing one formula. What is that? NCR is equal to NCR N minus R. So in this case also I'm using 20C10 into 10CR. How to write? NCR is equal to NC N minus R into like that. So here also I'm writing 10CR means 10C 10 minus R into 10CR. What you are observing in this case? Van der Waals theorem. What says Van der Waals theorem? Sigma R n from 1 to 10. 10 plus 20, that is 30. Minus or plus cancel 10. Coming now like that formula, is coming now. Sigma now we have to expand. After cancellation means what the result is coming. After cancellation means Van der Waals theorem. Here R n from 0 to 0 missing. That means what here? 30 C10 total value. But minus 1 because R running from 0 that is missing. Minus 30 C10 into, you can put a sigma R running from 1, put R is 1 2 3 4 10 means what here? Here also 10 plus 10 20 C10 minus 1 is missing. This is the question. Now simplify, this is the question, this is the answer. Let's see what the answer is coming. How much? 20 C10 into 30 C10 minus 20 C10 minus 30 C10 into 20 C10 plus 30c10. What you are observing? Both terms are cancelled. 30c10, how much? That is c10. 20c10 means b10, d for 10. Oh shit. Once again, this one is arising. Here means what here? Coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power 10. 10 CR. Coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power 20 is 20 CR. Coefficient of x power r in 30 CR. Now, as usual, question, what the question is given? Sigma. B10 is the constant, take outside. AR, BR. Minus C10 is the constant. AR into AR. What is the B10? That is 20 C10 into sigma R and from 1 to AR. I can write 10 C10 minus R. BR 20 CR minus 30 C10. Beta C10 means into sigma 10 C10 minus R into 10 CR. So I told you which formula I'm using here. In this case, I'm writing NCR is equal to NCN minus R, one formula. Another one is I'm using van der Mondy's theorem. Means what here? Directly put R is equal to 0. Put R is equal to 1. Put R is equal to, like that, if you are simplifying, 30C10 minus 1 is coming. Adding 1, subtracting 1, like that. What about this case? 20C10 minus 1. That's the meaning. So I'm writing one more step for you. See carefully. For suppose this, take this one. Sigma R in from 0 to 10. 10C, 10 minus R. 10CR minus 1, that is the meaning. Now this value is how much? Using van der Mondy's theorem, 20C10 minus 1, that is the answer. Verification. So simplify, these two terms are cancelled. What is the remaining? 30C10 minus 20C10. 30C10, that is C10 minus option is D. Anyone? Sum of the coefficients of all the even powers of x is a good question in this expansion. Anyone? The sum of the coefficients of, suppose my question is sum of all the coefficients. How much anyone? What to do? My question is sum of all the coefficients. What to do here? Put x is equal to 1, simple. So 2 minus 3 plus 1. So answer is 0. Sum of all the coefficients. But in this case, what they are asking? Sum of the coefficients of even powers of x. Sometimes they can ask odd powers of x. Then how do you put this model? Simple here. So first of all, what is the degree? 22 is coming. That means, see, 2x square minus 3x. So I can write a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on. 22 means a 22 into x power 22. Is it clear, dear students? Right on. Anyone? Now, put x is equal to 1, 0. Okay. Again, put x is equal to -1. What is the result? 2 plus 3, 5, 6 power 11. So this is a 1. This is a 2. Now we should add them or subtracting any one. If I'm subtracting a0, a2 cancel. If I'm adding means a1 minus 7 cancel. Our question is what is even powers of x means what? You have to consider a0, a2, a4, a22. So should we simply add them, adding. Okay. So 0 plus 6 power 11 is 6 power 11. Both are cancelled, dear students. A3. So 2 times a0, a2, a4, a22. So this is the question answer. So 6 power 11 by 2. So this is 6 into, we can write like this, see, 2 to cancel, 3 into 6 power 10. Wait, still 3 into 6 power 10, how to write? Be careful. 3 power 11 into 2 power 10. So option, what are the options? A and C. It is the multiple choice question. A and C. So same question, if they're asking sum of the coefficients of all the odd powers of x means we should subtract. Not the case. Same answer is coming, but negative is coming. That's all. Means minus 3 into 6 power 10 or minus 2 power 10 into 3 power 11. Okay, Sumanta, you are having some work you told now. Okay, carry on. Next question. Anyone? See, how to solve this one? What you can say? Number of terms means for your x plus 1 by x whole power 1 plus 1 like that whole power n. Generally, if you are taking LCM x square plus x plus 1 by x, what are the degrees coming? Expanding means degrees what? 2n plus 1 number of terms. That means statement 1 is correct. What is the degree? Expanding means what is the degree? Degree 2n is coming. Just add 1 number of terms. Okay. So statement is true. What about statement 2? Number of terms in this expansion means what? A1 plus A2 and so on. Am whole power n is. Yes, this is correct.